farmers with the cell phone. Through the cell phone, they're commanding, telling this kind of attack is coming in this direction, so you may be affected, so you will have to spray this much amount of pesticide, this pesticide, that fertilizer and all. So before the virus is coming to the field, the farmer is getting first-hand information, and then he's protecting the crop proactively, not after getting the crop affected. Of course, that will also help, but still they are doing it proactively, because all the fields, they have sensors with the available infrastructure of their cellular infrastructure of their country. They have connected all the fields, and then all this virus, bacteria attack, everything is monitored. Report is going to the government is taking action, and then it goes. Over a period of time, I'll tell you what will happen. Data is coming in the virus from this direction, in this particular time, under this climatic conditions, in this season. So we will give this fertilizer. So this becomes a big table. This is called big data. So we'll have a rich database. With that database down the line, even if you don't have an MSc agri graduate with you to tell, okay, in the virus, in the fertilizer, podnu solradhukku aale vendidilla. The server will tell. You have a billion records of data with which all this big data analysis will go, and one day the computer will itself become agriculturalist. The computer will tell you, okay, in the season varapodu, climate ipdi irukku, the humidity is like this, the moisture is like this. With the history that I have, 10 years back this occurred again. So that time this E. coli bacteria was there, that time this bacteria was there, this virus was there. So this time also the same virus and bacteria can come. So this fertilizer and this insecticide combination, if you spray, you will protect your crops. So future what will happen? The computers will become instructors. So this is the beauty of digital innovation. This has been happening in other countries at a slower rate, and we have a catalyst now. I'm not an advocate to Mr. Modi either. I don't have a political opinion about them either. But still I'm telling, we have a catalyst. We have a wonderful Prime Minister who is acting as a catalyst for such an innovation to happen. I would tell India has got such a climate that has never been in India for research and digital innovation to happen. Now that it's the time for you, now that you have got the golden opportunity to become technocrats, you should use your book knowledge, technically, practically, to get this done. You understand the seriousness and scope of this digital innovation, digital India, Internet of Things, connectivity and all. Luckily, our country is richly connected. Still, there are countries which are not connected. Luckily, having been connected, we should develop services for that. You understood? A lot of services you can develop. This is very few kind of innovation that has already happened I'm talking about. You can think about innovation that has never happened. Okay. That will become a new revolution actually. Okay. Thank you.
You were talking of lots of services for the agriculture sector, all the panelists. There's a question to all of you. And basically you also know that agriculture is not a profitable occupation or business, you call it business. It's profits are very marginal. And though the infrastructure, as you say, GSM connectivity is available and all that, the operation